Python programming, comments and variables. Enhance code readability and manage data with Python comments and variables. Comments in Python, essential for making code more readable and maintainable. They offer context and explanations, making it easier for others to understand your code. Python supports single-line comments using the hash symbol and multi-line comments using triple quotes. Single-line comments are for brief notes, while multi-line comments are for detailed explanations. In Python, variables are declared by assigning a value using the equal sign. Python uses dynamic typing, so variables can change types as needed. Python variable names must start with a letter or underscore and are case-sensitive. Avoid spaces and special characters, and use descriptive names for clarity. Variable scope in Python determines accessibility. Local scope is within functions, while global scope is outside. Local variables can override global ones within their scope. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.